This is a hunt and cats puzzle, which translates to English as dog and cat, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. This puzzle was designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to take all these parts that you can see in the dog shape part of the frame and put them to the cat shape part of the frame, which might look extremely difficult at the first glance, but there is a way how to do that. If you like the Hunt and Cats puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, I have to remove all parts from the dog part of the frame, like that. And now I have to put them all right here. I will start with this long piece, since it will definitely be a tail piece. It goes right here. Then I'll try to put this piece right here. It will be the leg of a cat. Then there is another leg that goes right here. This funny looking piece will go right here, and it will create a part of the head and ear of a cat. Then this piece goes right here. Next part will be this one. It goes right in here. Then there is a part that looks kind of a small sheep. You put it right here. Then this weird looking piece goes right below it. We have only 4 parts left, and I hope I can still remember where to put them. This goes here. This piece goes right in here, and we have only 2 parts. One of them goes probably here, and another one right here, and that is how you solve the Hunt and Cats puzzle. And now you can try to put everything back to the dog shape, but you saw the solution at the beginning of the video. Just start watching the video again and you will see how to put the parts back to the dog shape. If you like the Hunt and Cats puzzle and you want to buy it, or you want to try some other great puzzles from Jean-Claude Constantin, go to puzzlemaster.ca.